Hi guys, I'm Shivani Ma'am, your academic expert. So today we are here to introduce you to our phase 3 of YouTube classes brought to you by Aakash. So far now, through our NCERT 360-degree lecture series, you might have covered the entire theoretical portion from your NCERT books. But now you are entering the most crucial phase of your NEET preparation journey, as you know that NEET examination is just 4 months away. So this is the right time to gain more confidence. That will come when you revise more and practice more. So don't worry, we have got you live discussion of AIATS plus test papers right on YouTube classes, starting from 13th of January to 28th February. Now AIATS Plus is a premium level preparatory program specially designed for our NEET students. Now, AIATS test papers can only be given by the students that have opted for this program. But don't worry, its post-detailed analysis and entire detailed solution will be available on our YouTube classes. Because we want every NEET 2026 aspirant to achieve the dream of becoming a doctor. And trust me, it's not just about solving questions, but it's also about revising each and every topic along with that question. So once you have practiced a lot of questions, then you'll be entering the most important and game-changing phase of your NEET preparation journey, that is the crash course. Now, why is crash course this important? Because crash course will help you brushing up the concepts that you have already learned. Now, secondly, it will help you minimize the silly mistakes that you make during your examination, and it will help you to maximize your score. So through this entire journey, we will be requiring your discipline and confidence. So for more detailed information on live AIATS plus test paper discussion and crash course, please subscribe to our Aakash NEET YouTube channel and follow for more. So guys, don't worry, Aakash has got you all covered till this NEET journey comes to an end. So stay tuned. Till then, bye-bye.